Next, we're gonna tighten the... What is all that noise?
What in the world is going on? Well, there's nobody around.
Oh, God.
Just another day at Import Image Racing.
Okay. This explains the noise.
So we were testing the capacities of... That was awesome!
Yeah, I'm sure your job's cool too.
Your job sucks.
That's right. It's a tough game. I get to destroy 2 nice vehicles and be held accountable for it because I have like 37 witnesses.
Just another day in the office, right?
I'd like to thank God first, and then Jonathan Nerren. I'd like to thank Rick and Bobby. This was awesome.
What's going on, guys? Jim from Import Image Racing here. I've got Jonathan with, what is this thing and why are you here?
Initially started out his life as a 1995 240 SX. It's since transformed into a 97 body style LS base engine. It's 408 stroker, 3-liter Whipple.
That's my language right there.
Oh yeah, it's talking its language with that cam out of the back. But yeah, with the Whipple and the 408 stroker, it's putting down about 900 wheel horsepower right now. I'm here because I'm here to support Cosmis wheels.
Awesome.
Silvers and Coilovers, Import Image Racing. We're all the guys here. They always have a lot of fun with online back and forth with our social media presence, and we talk back and forth a lot. And I want to put a face to the name. Come down here, visit your establishment, your facility here, and really have a fun Friday.
Awesome.
So I'm here.
All right, well, let's take a look around the car, man.
Let's have at it. 4 hood pins, carbon hood, and it lifts straight off. We can throw it on the roof.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
That's it. You're good. You ain't gonna hurt this car. They've seen a lot worse. Now, many people run a lot is a twin belt system, and this has been the biggest help keeping the car running, keeping it alive, not losing the belt. Like as the superchargers, when they jump on and off throttle, the belt, you'll see a lot of stretch, sling supercharger belt, because you're going around, 8, 9 different pulleys, and it's just a lot to ask out of a single belt running, something 900 horsepower. So Wagner Automotive set us up with a dual belt system. It's got a 6 rib for the accessories, 10 rib for the supercharger, and we can really put all 18 pounds of boost to that 10 rib belt and not have an issue. I mean, we've been running the same belt for going on 2 years now.
Oh,
both
wow.
belts.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is kind of unheard of for a supercharger system.
Oh, big time.
It's about the only thing left metal in the car body-wise is the doors. At one point, we looked at putting some carbon or some fiberglass doors on it, but this is like the only OE metal part still on the car. Everything else is carbon roof, carbon hood. Fiberglass quarters. The whole car is fiberglass. It's pretty light, I guess, in the broad scheme of things, given a big V8 with this supercharger, a dry sump oiling system. We're adding a lot of weight back into the car, making it a reliable 900 horsepower. So with me in it's weighing at 3,100 pounds, and it could have been a lot heavier. So
100%.
The carbon parts and the fiberglass parts, it really helps keep it light. And obviously, we get close to walls next to other competitors, and that really helps the car not get sucked into any of those either other cars or walls, because you come back here and look, pretty much our whole back end will push over and shift.
Oh yeah, okay, look at that.
It's kind of crushable, so we can put this whole back end 6 inches into the wall, and I don't have to worry about it.
Oh, look at that.
Car getting pulled in.
Okay.
Runs our radiator in the back. It helps with larger capacity, better cooling efficiency. And we're not getting forced air anyway going through the car. We're sideways. We're not forcing air right to the radiator. So realistically, it doesn't matter where you put your radiator in a drift car. It's all about your ducting and and a good fan shroud, good fans, and really pulling that air out of there. And it's pretty much two back end. So from strut tower back, per like Formula Drift rule book, you can't touch anything in between strut tower suspension wise. A lot of it's replaceable. We don't have it on right now, which I probably should have, but we ain't got some more crash bars made. But usually we have a crash bar right here we can bolt on. So if I rub a wall, it kind of has a little give to it. It bends a little bit and lets me know, hey, don't go too much further. You're going to be starting getting to.
Right. Well, luckily we're just out here with our friends doing hot boy stuff. So
right.
I don't think you're going to be. I don't think you're going to make anybody mad if you tap something.
That's right. That's right.
Jonathan, thanks, man. We really appreciate you coming out here, putting on a show for our friends. Our
Appreciate you having us.
Oh,
taking time out from your busy work day.
100%. But I'll tell you what, if you want to do this stuff all over our parking lot on a nice Friday, you're welcome back at any time, man.
On Fridays it is. You got it.
Thanks again, man. Appreciate you having me.
Did you get all of your hot boy stuff out of your system?
I'll tell you what, my heart is full right now because this thing is so dope. I mean, they are just doing all kinds of cool stuff in the parking lot today. It is a great Friday. I could not be any happier. For awesome content just like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe for importimageracing.com. And I mean, I'm overwhelmed with emotion right now. This thing is cool. You guys are cool. Let's do it. All this drifting stuff, it's got me thinking I can do it too. You ready?
Oh boy, hold on.
Here we go. Ready?
I don't think this is drifting.
You don't think this is drifting? I feel like I feel like I can do it too.
Well, just because you feel it doesn't mean you can do it.
Oh, well, let me try the other way. Is this drifting?
No, this is a man believing in make-believe.
Well, I'm just glad you called me a man.
Well, I mean, that was a stretch. I was trying to boost your confidence, so maybe you could do something with your life.
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to drift. I'm just out here drifting with my friends, doing hot boy stuff.
Hold on. I don't see any friends around.